Hello guys, welcome back to AS Learning. So in this video we will see how can you add your own brand's watermark or signature on PDF pages. Okay, so let us start. So this is the application you will need to install. Actually I have made many videos on this based on this application. There are many features which you can use for altering or modifying or performing PDF operations. So the app name is I Love PDF. There is website also, but you can download app for simplicity. So once you open that app, open the PDF which you want to edit. Okay, so you can directly open, or else you can see the three dots here and just select the tools options, and among these tools you can select watermark option to add the signature or watermark of your brand. So the first field is text, that where you will have to enter your brand name. For suppose I am just giving randomly ABC. Okay, consider this as a brand name just for the example purpose. So this ABC will appear on all of the PDF pages or whatever the PDF pages you have selected. Okay, so once it is done, you can select the font type also, size also. I am just keeping by default, and color also, like keep it as black. And if I want to store that in vertical position, middle, then I can select middle, top, bottom according to your choice. So once all this is done, you can just select the start page and end page. So I'm just selecting two pages as of now. End page will be 2, so that means only on first 2 pages it will be showing your watermark. So let's apply watermark now. Accept. And based on the pages you have selected, it will take time to just uploading your signature. So sit back and relax. So now as you can see, processing is finished. Now go to file and you will see watermark eMark sheet, and it will appear watermark. So just let's open. And if you have noticed, we have selected the option in middle, so you can select top, bottom, middle, anywhere you want to apply your watermark. So if you can see, ABC has appeared on middle. So let's see whether it had appeared on second page or not. So this is our 7th page actually. Let's start second. Yeah, the watermark has been applied. So if you see third page, it will not show the watermark because we have selected first 2 pages. So you can keep all of the pages or minimum number of pages. So this is how you can set the watermark. So if you have any doubt, let's comment out in the comment section. And that's all for the day. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel AS Learning.